Using Excel simulation, we're gonna consider how many points, what's the probability of occurrence of a point will be located in the second and third quadrant of a circle. Okay, how many points will be located out of, if you consider for example 100 shots, how many points will be located in the second and the third quadrant of a circle? So first we start by generating the number. Generating the number using rand between parentheses empty times 2 pi. We generate random points for A, B and C on the circle circumference. And I need to bring your attention because if you put random in an Excel cell and you leave it there, it will keep changing all the time its value. So it's better if you just put it in a different cell, you copy it and you paste it as a value. You paste special as a value. It's like as a number, so it does not change. Okay, so this is for point A and point B and point C. Okay, it will generate a number between 0 and pi, and we multiply it definitely by 2 pi, so the number will be located on the circumference of the circle. Okay, and I need to remind you, you create it in a column and you paste it special for the value to stop changing. So let's see how to test it if it's located between pi over 2 and 1.5 pi, or like 3 pi over 2. So what I have to do is this. So we consider the point B to see if it is greater than pi over 2 less than 3.5 times this times this times this. If it is, so this will be 1. Okay, so if it is all the 3 points, okay, the question is like all the 3 points located in either 2 or 3 quadrants, second or third quadrant, so you just have to multiply. If one of the point, you sum it up, you add it. It's like one of the point in this combination, you just add the value. Okay, so in this case we have probability of occurrence is 1.8%, or sorry, is 18 divided by 100 is 18%, because we have here 100 point, so it's 18%.